Hey guys, so today I'm going to be giving you tips on how to retain your length and also a DIY deep conditioner for length retention, and also this is great for hair growth as well. This is especially good for people who have dry and damaged hair, so let's get started. So number one is to exfoliate or detox your scalp once a week or twice a month, or in times to where you feel that your scalp is very dirty, because it is very important to keep your scalp and your hair clean. Just because if your scalp or your hair follicles are clogged, sometimes that can hinder your hair growth, especially if you are experiencing dandruff or if you have excess sebum production.
And if you guys are wondering what I use to detox and exfoliate my scalp,
I personally use my very own lemon balm scalp exfoliator that I collaborated with Belbar. And if you guys have been following me, I'm on and I find that this scalp exfoliator has been keeping my scalp healthy. And also after I use this on my scalp, I always feel like my scalp is super clean. And also you guys, it's really great that from time to time it's good to use a clarifying shampoo, especially if you have really oily scalp. Alright, so tip number two, determine what your hair needs. And by that I mean check if your hair needs more protein or if your hair needs more moisture. And mostly I find that people, usually their hair lacks moisture. So if you know that your hair lacks moisture, you can go ahead and moisturize your hair. If you know that your hair needs protein, then you can go ahead and use some protein or keratin based hair masks, just because I find that those really work great if your hair really needs protein. But it is very important to know what your hair needs at the moment. And by the way, if you all want more details regarding the hair porosity, on how to determine if your hair needs more protein or moisture, I will put the link down below if you all want to check it out and know more about it. And number three, try to deep condition your hair once or twice a week, and also use the baggy method. If you are experiencing dryness on your hair, or if you are experiencing a lot of breakage and split ends, deep conditioning your hair really helps a lot. And as I've said in the video, I'm going to insert a clip right here on how I made my very own DIY deep conditioner for length retention and hair growth. So check this out.
so here are the ingredients that I'm using. So the first one is the shea butter, and shea butter is great for moisturizing the hair, help heal a variety of skin conditions, reduce dryness and breakage. It also prevents split ends, and furthermore this has hair growth properties as well. And then the next one that we're going to be using is the sweet almond oil. Now if you are a long-time subscriber, you definitely know that this is one of my favorite oils to use to soften the hair. And almond oil is not only great for hair growth, but it is amazing for conditioning the hair, treat dandruff and split ends. And lastly, I'm adding in my olive oil hair mask that I collaborated with Belbar. And this doubles up the effectiveness of this hair mask because all of the ingredients here are essential for hair growth, conditioning dry hair, and retaining your length. So in there, I will take about 1 tablespoon of my hair mask, and then I will add in 1 tablespoon of shea butter, and then 3 tablespoons of almond oil. And then I'm just gonna mix it all together until it turns into this consistency. And then I will add in my herbal conditioner and then mix it for the last time, and this is what it's going to look like after. And then of course I will be applying this on the parts of my hair that I specifically want to moisturize. You can also apply this on your scalp, but for now I'm focusing on the mid and the bottom part of my hair. And then after that I will put my hair inside the plastic bag to let it naturally heat up, and then I'm gonna leave that soaking on my hair for about 45 minutes and then just rinse it out. And after that, this is the result once I fully air dried my hair.
Alright, tip number four is to always hydrate your hair. And by that I mean you can always use leave-on oils, leave-on conditioners, and one of my favorites right now, of course, that I'm using for my hair, shameless plug again, is my rose-infused leave-in oil serum. And this is what I've been using on my ends, and as I've said, I've been following that method of, you know, applying this on my hair when my hair is damp and wrapping it with a towel. And I find that that technique is so effective on my hair right now, just because I feel like my hair has really soaked up all of the oils. And number five is to take in vitamins that helps your hair grow longer and stronger. Also, not only vitamins, but the food and the drinks that you're taking in definitely plays a huge role in hair growth as well. Not only the things that you put externally. So Now regarding on the vitamins that can really help your hair stronger, personally for me, I find that biotin really does help your hair to become stronger, especially if you are experiencing a lot of breakage. I do notice that personally for me, taking in biotin really did help my hair, not only my hair but also my nails. And also just in general, take in the vitamin B complex. Everything in the vitamin B family, they are all essential for hair growth. So that's why when I look for hair vitamins, I always go for hair vitamins that has all of the vitamin B complex, that it has biotin, it has zinc, it has calcium, if you want to grow your hair longer and stronger. And also the second one, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the tea that I actually take in. And this tea actually contains superfoods that can really help your hair, not only your hair but also your skin. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys, so here it is.
Okay, so this is the tea that I have been drinking first thing in the morning, and it's the Good Hair Don't Care from the Matcha Reserve, and this tea has superfood ingredients in it, and it contains ST6 pollen flower extract with alpha amino acids, nettle, rosemary, marigold, thyme, catnip, chamomile, horsetail, jasmine green tea, and sage that are all essential for hair growth, keeping your hair from getting dry and brittle and make your hair stronger while also keeping your skin healthy. This is why I really wanted to try this out, because as I've said, it's good to put all of those ingredients topically on your hair, but it's also great when you actually consume it. And also I do notice that this has been helping my hair a lot. So if you guys want to try this out, I do have a coupon code down below that you can use to get 15% off your order. And lastly, consider using a wooden brush, because it can really save your hair from breakage and split ends, because it is very gentle for the hair and it just glides on smoothly without creating static on your hair. I will actually make a specific video soon focusing on wooden brushes to explain further, and the brand that I'm recommending that I find works best for my hair. So stay tuned for that, but definitely consider using wooden brushes or invest on wooden brushes, just because they're really healthy to use for your hair.
So that is it, you guys. I hope you all like this video, and also if you all are interested in using whatever products that I am using in this video as well, I'm going to put all of them in the description box down below so that you guys can check them out, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!